Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I'm still looking at this as impulsive down wave A, corrective up, three waves up, wave B. Could be a 1 and a 2, but I think it is more likely to be an A and a B. I think this is a 1, a 2, and I think it's going to go down, make a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave C, or possibly even eventually go down and make a big wave 3, which at this stage, I definitely don't think it's important to know whether we're looking at a wave 3 or a wave C, because either scenario should lead to a big downtrend. So taking it right down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's important to see that most likely this is the end of a correction, impulsive down, wave 1. I still think this is most likely a wave 2, and I still believe that it is going to end up over the coming weeks and months making a downtrend for a wave 3. Probably a wave 3 of wave C based on the higher time frame. So taking it down to the daily. On the daily time frame, it still looks to me like it may have already completed an ABC correction because I see an uptrend, looks like an A. I see three waves down, looks like a B. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Very, very overlapping trend, which is most likely an ending diagonal wave C. If that's the case, that means that this is like a 1 and this move up is like a 2. So I still think this move up is going to make a lower high, and I still think it's eventually just going to go down and make a big wave 3. And we do have a lot of dollar news and really news on all kinds of pairs coming out this week, so I think it's a good time to start a big wave 3. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me, it still looks like an uptrend. A, three waves down. B, another uptrend. C, this is definitely a downtrend, looks like a 1. I still think this is an ABC of 2. At this point, it may go all the way up to the 78.6, maybe end up looking something like that before it does go down. But we do have a lot of news coming out this week, and it is Monday, so we do have to be careful. I mean, it could possibly just kind of drift around a little bit and then eventually end up continuing the downtrend like that. So definitely be a little bit cautious, especially with a week when we have such big news coming up in the middle of the week. But I still am looking at this as possibly a 2, and I'm definitely still looking for a short for the continuation of the downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like it's trying to go up right now, which I would think that it would go up to at least a 78.6. I'm definitely not taking it as a long because I'm still holding shorts and I'm still looking for more shorts. But boy, if it does go up to that 78%, make a double top, make a break of structure, then I definitely would take it as a short. Or possibly if this does make like a lower high, and golfing move down, you could definitely take that as a short also. But with all the news we got coming out this week, it may just kind of bounce around like this. So you definitely want to be a little bit careful. We may get a little bit of a rangy market leading up to all the news that we have this week, but either way, I'm definitely looking for a short. I'm looking for this as a wave 2, a wave 1, and eventually going down for that wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. So as always, happy trading and good luck.